Hey guys, and welcome back to Monster Hunter Wilds. Let's make like a banana and get out here.
You know, a little warmer.
Poison pod, interesting.
The never-ending winter? Great.
Well, I mean, after playing
Add
Iceborne,
that
you
to
know.
our list of wonky phenomenon right below premature sand tide and no-show fire spring. Do you think this is the cliffs that Tesh talked about?
Yes, or at least what he thinks is a cliff.
Oh, I've never seen it.
See if Nata finds it familiar.
I don't know how to explain this. Something about it feels like my village.
Interesting. It does. There's a lot of this that looks man-made. Make some more hot drinks. Ooh, adamant seeds. Very useful. Is that floating? Is that floating? Is that floating? Is what I was trying to bloody say. Is that floating?
This confirms it.
Yeah, it's all one huge structure.
I can't imagine anyone building something like this back home, let alone this size. How'd they even do it?
Well, I mean, the lack of
It's
gravity
unlike
seems to
any
have been
architecture I've seen,
a bit of help.
which immediately raises some questions.
Who, where, what, why, and when? And where's Mila Jovovich?
exactly built it?
Jovovich?
And what happened to their civilization if they were capable of something like this? And if the keepers live out here, who are they?
Aliens.
Your cheeks are red. You cold?
I'm fine.
What's that?
I was going to say, that doesn't look natural. It's that big centipede thing. Hirabami. And not just one.
Is it wiser to use a needle to find, or to hide it in a haystack?
Hiding in the haystack!
Then follow me.
You guys follow the wob wob.
Where are we?
My quiet sanctuary. I come here when I'm in need of solitude.
That's my
I
office.
can't believe there was a whole
Oh, the toilet.
nest. We'll just have to wait out the danger in here.
Yeah, you okay?
How about we set up camp then?
Your small hovel?
Freaking small hovels.
Certainly.
Oh, it's so warm.
Oh, so we got a new base camp. Maybe that's why we drag Gemma about everywhere.
Oh, hello.
No, I'm talking to Chase, mate. Shut up. I had no idea this place was so huge. It's so different up close compared to seeing it from a distance. I think it'll look even more different after we're finished with this mission. Oh, I'm glad I got to come here with you. That's so cute.
Rove is far from home, just like me. I wonder if I'll ever see my village again.
I thought we were
You will.
quite close to your village.
I'm really sorry for how I acted before.
Ah, listen, we all turn into belly big bollocks after a few beers.
Okay, we're just worried about you.
It feels so stupid.
Oh, stupid why?
I thought finding my village would be easy. That I could take you straight there.
Well, you'd hope so.
I had no idea just how big the world is. I can't believe I can't even show you the way. I feel so useless.
What happens?
Nata, In 1,000 years, there's only been one person resilient enough to make the trek west. You.
No.
Despite being alone, you found help. For the sake of your people. We'll set out again once the Hirabami retreat. But for now, let's get some rest, okay?
You get some rest?
Hey, I want to talk to you.
Hey, Hunter. Let's say there's this little girl. And she feels like she has to solve all the problems alone. If you met this girl, what would you say?
And you're worried about this girl?
Yeah. I used to be a lot like her. A long time ago, I left home, and the people who took me in, they seemed larger than life. Then I grew up and realized that actually, adults can be just as lost as kids.
Listen, we're all just 3 kids in a trench coat.
When I left my
Alright?
village, they clapped me on the back and said, "Fly far, Lulin." But now, I think they were really saying, "It's your turn now. What do you choose to protect?"
Everything okay?
No. Gemma's talking in tongues.
I've been meaning to ask you something. Fabius said it was you who put my name forward for the expedition. Why'd you pick me?
I guess I wanted someone who understood what it was like to lose something important. And there was a time when I closed myself off from the world. But then I met Nata. And despite having lost everything he knew, he was still captivated by the world.
I feel like there's deep lore that we're missing here.
Seeing that inspired me. It made me realize I should also be out living life. The professor wanted a hunter we could trust Nata with, and with your background, I had a good feeling that you were the one.
I hope I can live up to your expectations.
You already have. When I first saw you leap onto that sacred, my heart nearly burst from my chest.
I am a badass.
I felt so alive. I knew I made the right choice.
Wow, that's adorable.
Have a seat. Rest.
Okay. I think I'm starting to figure out the connection between Wilk and the land spine. I think the land spine is an artificial structure, like this one, probably built by an ancient civilization.
Okay.
Yes, I agree. They share too many architectural similarities to ignore.
Then we know 3 things. First, Wilk stone is produced by the land spine.
Right.
Second, the land spine isn't natural.
I still don't know about that one.
Third, the land spine is likely connected to phenomena like the sand tide and the downpour. Add it all up, Wilk seems to be an artificial energy source capable of altering the weather.
Isn't
Right.
Warmer in the process of repairing the part of the land spine connected to Azus?
Yeah, and if he succeeds, there's no telling what'll happen.
I feel like it's a
We
series of
can't just sit around.
tubes.
Let's get back to Azus.
Right. I hope the Hirabami have retreated.
Probably not, because, you know,
Nata?
we have to beat up everything.
He has a fever.
Oh no!
We can't leave him here. But if the Hirabami attack...
Alright, I'm off to sort it, don't you worry.
Understood. Authorization granted to hunt the Hirabami.
Roger that.
We better be quick then.
Mine. Probably should have used that to actually heat myself up as opposed to...
Hang in there, Nata.
Sorry.
Hirabami sighted. One should keep the others in line.
Oh, baby. I don't know. I mean, it could. Jesus, I need about 6 hands for this. Can we equip that? Thank you. Can you just shoot it or whatever then? Jesus.
Another monster's horning in.
Oh, another monster? As in... Can I actually just get a flash pod? So why it's doing that, so I can just, you know.
On the ground.
Oof. I need to hit that.
Leave this to me. Heels inbound.
I just need to, like...
Now's our chance.
Oh, I didn't mean that. Oh, Scotland, nice. Let's charge up the old axe. Excuse me. There we go. It's done no damage. I need to watch for that. Ah, okay, so when it does that, it gets the temporary wound in its mouth. Thanks for the wee buff there. I wonder if you can like sever their tails and that. Because I've seen. Oh no, you can. Yeah, you can. Because I remember doing it with Arkfeld in the demo. Just I don't think I've done it on any of them on the main game. Pushed way the wrong button there. There we go. Knocked them down again, and this will probably just be the end of it. It's funny. I don't like capturing when we're on like these types of quests, because I feel like part of the this part of the story really, like, it feels like you should be murdering them. You know, it feels like you should be killing them as opposed to capturing them. But it says hunt on the right, so that means that you can either capture or kill. Obviously the radar we had to. I think it's just mostly, yeah, it's mostly just pods. Ah, that's poo, I don't want poo. Yeah, give me this mining. Icium. Oh, interesting. Nothing else here, there's another mine just round the side here. I don't know what you guys are, but I might want to. Ow! Think I might want to kill them so I can get the quest. That's disgusting. Please get out of my camera. Yeah, there's a Hirabami. Done. That was relatively simple. Not the greatest for my weapon, but...
It's safe to bring Nata out.
Zeus sounds like it's in trouble too. Her's giving me a bad feeling.
All the more reason to hurry.
Rove, we owe you one. Thanks.
Forget me. Go. If fate wills it, we shall meet again.
Hopefully. I mean, I don't think we owe Rove one. To be honest with you, I barely think that he paid us back for the one that he owed us.
We'll have to keep an eye on him, but Nata seems to be resting better now.
That's a relief. Let's go talk to Werner while he sleeps.
Mission complete. Got some icium, some frozen icium, I think. More armor spheres. Oh, there goes 2-3. We need to search for Werner. But unfortunately that's going to have to be in the next episode. So as always, thanks a lot for watching. I've been Steve, you've been awesome, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.